Hey everyone, my name is Matt. Welcome to my shop. Every shop needs more horizontal surfaces to work off of and store stuff on when you're not using those surfaces. The multi-stand is a fantastic product, but there's not a lot of room to set stuff on. So the nice thing about this, with the kind of channel in here and the little jaw thing, we can make something that sits right in here and is secured, and this becomes an actual functional table you can put on any weird surface you want because it's a tripod. It'll level out just fine. So I have this offcut here. This is a piece of cherry. This is an offcut from the router shelf thing that we made last time. So that's gonna be the stock for our tabletop. So as far as just being a table, it's kind of like core functionality, but I do have a few more ideas of things we can do to this surface to make it a little more useful and a little more functional. First off is gonna be getting it surfaced and planed and looking nicer than this. So the board's all cleaned up, and I am gonna leave the live edge on here. I think it's kind of a fun detail, and it makes the edge a little more soft. So as you're kind of working on here, you have a little more of a ramp kind of thing. Just makes it a little nicer to work on. To continue that sort of functional detail, I'm also gonna bevel the ends here, just to kind of match what's going on with the live edges, so that as you're working here and you're kind of rubbing up against the ends, it just is a little more comfortable. So we have a planer and a sander, and we'll just go to work at beveling those ends. So at this point we have technically the completed table. You can use this on the multi-stand just fine, but we can add some more functionality to it to make it a little more useful. The first thing I thought about was having a little pocket in here that you can store screws or little things you're working with, so they don't roll off and get lost. So we're gonna make a little pocket in here with a pattern bit in the router. I'll make a little template for the router to follow. Excited to pop these off. It's actually exciting. That didn't work. So I just added some T-track in here. I think it's gonna add a lot of versatility to our tabletop. It's gonna allow us to hold things down to the tabletop, but now we need some way to hold our tabletop into the multi-stand, and for that, I'm gonna use a block of wood here. In the top of the multi-stand, there is a clamp, which allows you to clamp things in here. You can also do the same thing in the super jaws, so this tabletop can be used in either the multi-stand or in the super jaws. So we're gonna make this little block of wood, maybe just dress it up a little bit, and we'll glue it to the underside so it fits into our multi-stand. So here's the completed portable worktop. Fits really nicely into the multi-stand. Of course, also fits in the super jaws. Allows you to have this work surface no matter where you are, and it's actually really super functional. So the T-track allows you to clamp and hold workpieces as you're working on them. This little bit holder recessed area allows you to keep all your small parts here without falling off the table, and they're a little more organized. So really quick, functional project. Use this from scrap in the shop and make something that actually is very, very useful. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Make sure you subscribe to the Triton YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and happy woodworking.